Hello friends, welcome to TS Spoken English. Today we are taking the it. It means third person singular. Third person singular. Whom about we are talking? Whom about we are talking? See here. If we are talking about the animal, bird, thing, place, vehicle. Animals. See here. These are the third person singular I am talking. Vehicle. It is a vehicle. Aeroplane. Ambulance. Ant. Ox. Like this. You make here bus. Ball. Balloon. Bus. Ball. Like this. These are the things. Cup. Comb. It is a bird, crow, camera, like this places like animal, bird, doll, drum. If you are talking about the third person singular, whom about we are talking? Third person. It is a, see here, animal. It is a train, ear, like this. If any person, it is a shirt, it is a finger, it is a blackboard, it is a whiteboard, it is wall, it is chalk piece, you may say chalk piece, it is color, it is flower, it is called flower, it is a cell phone. If you are talking about these things, it is a light, it is fan. Now on this the students talk the different things, how they are talking. See,
It is bangle. It is flower. It is ink bottle. It is duster. And it is stick. It, it is marker. It is paper. It is picture. It is book. It is whiteboard. Is it duster? Yes, it is duster. Is it ink bottle? Yes, it is ink bottle. Is it bracelet? Yes, it is bracelet. Is it watch? Yes, is it watch. Is it flower? Yes, it is flower. Is it book? Yes, it is book. Is it marker? Yes, it is marker. Is it mic? Yes, it is mic. Is it whiteboard? Yes, it is whiteboard. Is it stick? Yes, it is stick. Is it pad? Yes, it is pad. Is it stool? Yes, it is stool. Is it paper? Yes, it is paper. Is it dress? Yes, it is dress. Is it pant? Yes, it is pant. Is it frock? Yes, it is frock.
It is duster. It is ink. It is stick. It is paper. It is pad. It is bracelet. It is bangle. It is flower. It is marker. It is book. It is photo. It is paper.
It is bracelet. It is stick. It is duster. It is bangle. It is flower. It is pad. It is paper. It is paper. It is photo. It is book. It is marker. It is input.
so this is how they have shown what is the third person singular. It, they are talking about individual animal, bird, thing, place, vehicle. It is Delhi. If you are showing the Delhi, you can say it is Delhi. It is Kanpur. It is Allahabad. It is pencil. It places. It is Nanded. Nanded. It is Mumbai. Those are the places. Vehicles, bus, car, jeep. These are the vehicles. Things, Taj Mahal, Charminar, Golconda, like this. You take any lotus temple. This is and birds, peacock, crow, like these birds. Animals, tiger. I have already told you about that one. So these are the questions. They are showing how the things are shown.
Is it ink bottle? No, it is not ink bottle. It is marker. Is it marker? No, it is not marker. It is duster. Is it snake? No, it is not snake. It is rope. Is it bangle? No, it is not bangle. It is bracelet. Is it bracelet? No, it is not bracelet. It is bangle. Is it sunflower? No, it is not sunflower. It is rose flower. Is it pad? No, it is not pad. It is book. Is it rope? No, it is not rope. It is stick. Is it board? No, it is not board. It is photo. Is it book? No, it is not book. It is paper. Is it stool? No, it is not stool. It is pad. Is it pen? No, it is not pen. It is duster. Is it marigold? No, it is not marigold. It is rose. Is it watch? No, it is not watch. It is bangle. Is it pen? No, it is not pen. Is it bracelet? Is it pencil? No, it is not pencil. It is marker. Is it book? No, it is not book. It is pad. Is it textbook? No, it is not textbook. It is paper. Is it TV? No, it is not TV. It is photo. Is it compass? No, it is not compass. It is stick. It is fridge? No, it is not fridge. It is book.
Is it
Is it rose? No, it is not rose. It is paper. It is snake. Is it snake? No, it is not snake. It is rope.
is it hand?
Is it watch? No, it is not watch. It is bangle. Is it phone? No, it is not phone. It is mic. Is it nose? No, it is not nose. It is finger. Is it blackboard? No, it is not blackboard. It is whiteboard. Is it house? No, it is not house. It is wall. Is it black pen? No, it is not have black pen. It has a white pen. Is it fridge? No, it is not fridge. It is stool.
Is it rose?
Yes, it is rose.
It is marker.
Yes, it is marker.
Is it bracelet?
Yes, it is bracelet.
Is it bangle?
Yes, it is bangle.
Is it duster?
Yes, it is duster.
Is it watch?
Yes, it is watch.
Is it pad?
Yes, it is pad.
Is it stick?
Yes, it is stick.
Is it photo?
Yes, it is photo.
Is it paper?
Yes, it is paper.
Is it snake? It is roll?
Yes, it is rope.
Is it? Is it?
Is it book?
Yes, it is book.
Spoken English depends. I am telling so many times. First persons, persons, persons. First person singular. I am talking. You, they are listening. You may be singular, here plural. I am talking. There, you are listening about she, about he, and about it. It means animal, bird, thing, place, vehicles. मी बोलू लागलो तुम्हाला हिच्याविषयी एका मुलीविषयी किंवा एका पुरुषाविषयी आणि एका थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर एनिमल, बर्ड, थिंग, प्लेस, व्हेकल साठी. నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నా సింగులర్, మీరు వింటున్నారు యు. ఈమె గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నా థర్డ్ పర్సన్, ఆయన గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నా థర్డ్ పర్సన్, ఇది ఈట్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నా థర్డ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, what I am telling so many times, if the groups are making, here take the we, here also we. Now if we become we, हम एक से ज्यादा, अभी बता रहा हूं, एक से ज्यादा, हम 4-5 लोग आए समझो, अभी एक सिंगुलर हो गई, हम वी हो गए, इस यू एक ही है, अभी हम एक से ज्यादा है. तो इस तरह से अपना इंग्लिश इसके ऊपर ही डिपेंड रहता. तुम कहां पर भी बात करो, यू मे स्पीक हियर, यू मे స్పీకర్ ఎనీవేర్, మీరు ఎక్కడైనా మాట్లాడండి, ఏదన్నా మాట్లాడండి, ఈ దీని మీదనే నా ఇంగ్లీష్ డిపెండ్ ఉంటుందని నేను చాలా సార్లు చెప్పడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తున్నాను. मी आपली इंग्लिश फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन आणि थर्ड पर्सन याच्यावरच डिपेंड असते. आपण एका प्लेस विषयी बोलू लागल्या, माझ्याविषयी मी बोलू लागलो त्यांच्याविषयी, तर एंटायर इंग्लिश, माय इंग्लिश डिपेंड्स अपॉन फर्स्ट पर्सन आय, वी, यू, ही, शी, इट and they. Now it is last point remain. I take in the next chapter what is the they. So friends, this is how you make to understand that my entire spoken English, you speak anywhere. If I am talking about photo, third person singular, about talking any woman in the world, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi, third person singular, Amit Shah, third person singular, Sonia Gandhi, third person singular, helicopter, third person singular, cow, bird, jeep, us, I, you, एक ही रह सकता, एक से ज्यादा रह सकता. ऐसा अगर अपने को अभी अपना लास्ट हो गया, दे के बारे में मैं अभी नेक्स्ट क्लास में हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल टू दे. सो फ्रेंड्स, what should you do? Subscribe my channel, share with your friends and like it.